Hey everyone, I'm John. Welcome back to the channel. In 2026, robot vacuum cleaners have evolved from simple sweepers into fully autonomous floor care suites. Today's flagship models no longer just vacuum, they scrub floors with hot water and avoid obstacles with AI-driven precision. They even maintain themselves for months at a time, offering true set-it-and-forget-it convenience. Whether you are dealing with persistent pet hair on plush carpets or need a sterile shine on hardwood, the current market offers sophisticated solutions that finally deliver on the promise of effortless cleaning. Here are the top-rated robot vacuums for every home and budget in 2026.
This robot vacuum is so quiet, I literally forgot it was running and found my floors spotless an hour later. I'm not kidding. It runs at the noise level of a microwave. My cats don't even care anymore. They just sit there, watching it clean up their fur, like it's entertainment. The Eufy 11S Max is only 2.85 inches tall, so it slides under my couch, coffee table, even my bed where I haven't cleaned in forever. No more moving furniture or getting on my hands and knees with a dustpan. It runs for 100 minutes on one charge, which covers my entire 1,200 square foot apartment twice. The Boost IQ technology automatically adjusts suction when it hits my area rugs, then goes back to quiet mode on hardwood. No app to download, no Wi-Fi setup, no complicated mapping. Just press the button on the remote and let it do its thing. It even charges itself when it's done. Don't spend another weekend wrestling with your heavy vacuum. Get the Eufy 11S Max and reclaim your weekends for something actual. This robot just vacuumed and mopped my entire house while I was at work, then emptied itself for the next 75 days. I'm not kidding. The iRobot Roomba 104 literally does it. When I get home, my hardwood floors are spotless and my carpets are perfectly vacuumed. The best part? It knows exactly which areas to mop and which to avoid. My rugs stay completely dry, while my kitchen and bathroom floors get that deep clean I never have time for. With 3 cats, the pet hair situation was getting out of control, but this thing has 70 times more suction power than my old vac. It finds every single fur tumblewood hiding under furniture. The auto-empty dock holds 75 days worth of dirt and traps 99% of allergens, so I literally forget it exists until the app reminds me to change the. Set your schedule once through the app, or just tell Alexa to start cleaning. Don't spend another weekend scrubbing floor. This robot vacuum is so slim, it actually cleans under your bed, where dust bunnies multiply, and it never gets tangled in hair like mine used to. At just 3.14 inches tall, the Roborock Saros 10R slides under furniture that other vacuums can't even dream of reaching. My old Roomba would get stuck constantly, but this thing uses Starsight Autonomous System 2.0 to map everything in 3D, even under low furniture. The best part? That zero tangling duo divide brush. I have 2 cats and long hair, and I used to spend 20 minutes every week untangling my old vacuum. Now, 0 tangles. Ever. The FlexiArm side brush extends automatically to grab dirt from corners and tight spaces. With 22,000 PA suction, it pulls up everything from pet hair to tracked-in mud across hardwood, tile, and carpet. And dries the mop with 176 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, empties the dustbin for 60 days, and even adds detergent automatically. It's like that never calls in sick. This robot vacuum just mapped my entire 2-story house in 30 minutes, and now it empties itself for 9 weeks straight. The PreciSense LiDAR creates detailed floor plans and remembers up to 4 different levels. I can literally send it to clean specific rooms on each floor from my phone. The 8,000 PA suction pulls pet hair from deep in my carpets, while the dual spinning mops scrub away sticky kitchen spills at 200 RPM. What blew my mind is the all-in-one dock. It automatically empties the dustbin into a sealed 2.7-liter bag, refills the water tank, washes the mopping pads, and even dries them. I haven't emptied a bag or touched dirty mop water in over 2 months. The anti-tangle brush system means no more cutting hair wrapped around rollers. It detects obstacles like furniture and cords. Plus, I set no-go zones around my kids' play areas. One robot handles 3,552 square feet without me lifting a finger. Get the Roborock QV35A and turn your multi-story home into a... This robot vacuum has 70 times more suction power than older models and literally maps your entire house while you sleep. Look, 2 dogs and a toddler who drops goldfish crackers everywhere. Before my Roomba 105, I was vacuuming twice a day just to keep up with the chaos. Now, I press one button and this thing goes to work while I make dinner. The Clearview LiDAR technology creates a perfect map of my entire house, including all those weird corners where my lab likes to shed. It knows exactly where my couch is, where the stairs are, and even remembers to avoid my daughter's play area. The 3-stage cleaning system with that insane 70x suction power picks up everything from dog hair to cereal crumbs. When the battery gets low, it charges itself and picks up right where it left off.
Choosing the right robot vacuum in 2026 is about identifying your home's pain points. If your priority is absolute power and threshold climbing, the Eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max is the undisputed heavy hitter. For homes where pet safety and obstacle detection are the main concerns, the iRobot Roomba 2-in-1 vacuum provides peace of mind. By matching the robot's specific strengths to your home's layout, you can finally cross floor cleaning off your daily chore list. Would you like me to find a specific robot vacuum that fits a lower budget, or one that specializes in ultra-quiet operation?